If you have pending transfers on your Chase bank account, it can be concerning. This guide will help you understand how to resolve these pending transfers efficiently. Step 1. Check your account activity. Log into your Chase Bank online account or mobile app. Navigate to the Account Activity section to view all pending transactions. This will help you identify which transfers are pending and their details. Step 2. Review transfer details. Click on the pending transfer to see more information. Check the amount, date, and recipient details. Ensure that all information is correct and that you recognize the transaction. Step 3. Contact customer service. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the HR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Verify your account status. Ensure that your account is in good standing. Sometimes, pending transfers can be affected by issues such as insufficient funds or account restrictions. Check for any alerts or messages in your account. Step 5. Wait for processing. If everything appears correct and there are no issues, sometimes you may just need to wait. Transfers can take time to process, especially if they are made on weekends or holidays. Monitor your account for updates. In conclusion, resolving pending transfers on Chase Bank involves checking your account, reviewing details, contacting customer service if needed, verifying your account status, and being patient as transactions process. Following these steps can help you manage your banking transactions more effectively.